So in this video, I will guide you step by step how you can link your Spotify account to PlayStation. So step number one, the easiest way to do this is to head to playstation.com and then log into your account. You then want to click on your avatar in the top right hand corner and then open up account settings here. Once we then open up account settings, go over to the left hand side bar, scroll down to linked services. And now you want to select your Spotify. Once you do this, as you can see, there is now a link button. Click on this. And then what you now need to do is just simply log in to your account. So as you can see, I have now in the process of logging into my account. Once you do the verification code, it will then log you in. And then you'll be presented with a page that looks like this. All you need to do now is click on the agree button. And then it should then show up on your PlayStation account. So if you just wait for it right here, as you can see now, you have linked your Spotify account to PlayStation. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how simple it is to do it.